In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate with Facebook Klaviyo. This integration is helpful because it connects your advertising data from Meta to your Klaviyo account, so you can use that information to support better targeting, better measurement, and more relevant messaging. To begin, sign into Klaviyo. Make sure you are using the account that you plan to connect, because the integration settings will be tied to that specific workspace. When you are signed in, give yourself a moment to confirm you are on the main dashboard, where you can see your account navigation and settings options clearly. Next, click Integrations. This area is where Klaviyo lists all the tools and platforms you can connect. It is the control center for linking Klaviyo with services like ad platforms, email tools, and other marketing systems. As you click Integrations, look for a page that shows either connected integrations or a catalog of available integrations. From there, click Explore Apps. This takes you to the wider selection of apps you can install. This step matters because the Meta Ads integration is typically found in the app directory rather than the default list of quick connections. Take a moment to load the page fully, since search results can take a few seconds to appear. Now search for Meta Ads. When you type in the search field, you should see a result that specifically refers to Meta Ads. This is the integration you need because it is designed to connect your Meta advertising accounts to Klaviyo. Select the Meta Ads option when it appears, rather than choosing a similarly named or generic Meta entry. After selecting Meta Ads, click Meta Ads again if the interface prompts you, or proceed into that Meta Ads listing. Once you are inside the Meta Ads page, click Install. Installing is the step that prepares Klaviyo to establish the connection and requests the necessary settings so your ad data can flow correctly. Once the app is installed, click Connect to Meta Ads. At this stage, Klaviyo will typically guide you through an authorization and selection process. Pay attention to what the connection page is asking for, because you will need to choose the correct business and advertising accounts. This prevents you from connecting the wrong assets, which can lead to missing or inaccurate campaign data. The next part is choosing your accounts. Select your Meta Business account and ad account. When you select the Meta Business account, make sure it matches the business that owns your ad accounts. Then, choose the specific ad account you want Klaviyo to use. If you have multiple ad accounts, take your time here to confirm you are selecting the one that corresponds to the campaigns you want to analyze and use for marketing performance. After making those selections, click Finish Setup. This finalizes the integration and tells Klaviyo to complete the connection using the selected accounts. You may see a confirmation message or a status update indicating that the integration is connected or in the process of connecting. To wrap up, once you see the setup completed, you can return to the integrations area to verify that Meta Ads is listed with an active status. If you do not see an immediate status change, wait a short moment, because authorization and syncing can take a little time depending on your account permissions and Meta's response. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.